Okay, Porsche Cab, PK Networks, man. So you see that? That's my camera right there in my truck. We got them on candid camera, making sure they do their job right. You know what I'm saying? How they be watching us? No, we watching y'all too. Look, got the paperwork ready. You feel me? See that name on there? But yeah, look. Y'all remember to like and subscribe. Kota Rogoff from Babylon. Sorry about the camera shaking. You know he's moving around like a lot back there. But yeah, that's how I do it. Hey, snoop onto them as they snoop onto us. Spyware.